Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This driver confidently grabbed the incorrect person. Stay safe out there. Such nice weather, not for this driver though. This driver cuts me off without signalling. I flash him and then he spits fluid as retaliation. That could have ended pretty badly. I was driving happily southbound, and I guess I'm not allowed to stop for traffic?
Stopped midway across the road. What? I called her back, Alison said. Just now. A young car stopped. In our garden about 15 minutes ago. She'd fallen from her balcony. No. Jenny glanced at her watch. It was 2:15. It had been an hour and a half since she had left the office. When did she make her last call?
Who was at fault here? This driver got road rage and was tailing me really close to my bumper because I merged into her lane. I guess the lines don't line up? Enjoying the ride? Honestly, who needs to see out the windshield before leaving for the day? I've had some close calls at this intersection, but this is the closest so far. Some drivers not only never miss their exit, but also never miss it being idiots.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto I-70 Business.
This idiot drove me out of my lane and then had the audacity to give me the finger. This idiot crosses the median and slows down. I almost lost control. Brain dead guy gets road rage because I was going the speed limit. Then he drives into my lane and hits the brakes.
Where's Victor? And then he said, oh, yeah, he's working.
What the fuck would you do that for?
Do we really need heavy trucks on the road?
Jesus.
Where are the cops? Comment down below if you get this much snow in your area. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.